thought I had to be closer, to be honest.
Cyclist is wrong, isn't it? He went through a red light. Not, isn't he? Yeah, other traffic light, turn right. But that's what I was talking about. As long as you're looking ahead, you can deal with them. Because they're coming in front of you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you're looking on their sides, you're trying to escape them, that's when everything goes wrong.
Yeah. I mean, this.
Each match is epic. It's unscripted. Spontaneous drama.
Yeah, when people when it's right away, they're gonna have to give us way. Does that make sense?
Mm.
Yes. Down, fast. Somebody went through a red light. Okay.
That was horrible.
Save video. Because he wanted our left lane. He wanted to cut us across. You know what I mean?
Ah, is that what he wanted?
Yeah, that's what he wanted. And then he got caught out with the red light.
Some little patience. I wasn't going that slow.
I know. This is silly. That's okay, Garmin. Okay, you say okay, but you're not listening.
At home to Everton. I mean, they had so many moments, didn't they? Especially coming into the dying moments of the game. How much of a blow was that for Rob Edwards' side in their bid to stay in the Premier League, given that they're now
Okay,
points
say
with
video.
Nottingham Forest? But that was the game where they could have picked up the 3 points, especially because Nottingham Forest today can pull 3 points clear if they beat Sheffield.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes. So that's about this. Look, there's no entry there. That's why we look at that. Carry on. First gear. You're not in gear? Yes. Save video.
Ticket on that.
No, he didn't go for it. He didn't commit it. He changed his mind. Yes. Yeah. The one at Putney. Yes, I know that one. Putney Bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's such a like. I don't think I've ever been on that road when it's not busy.
Yes. Save video. But look at that. See what I mean? Isn't that dangerous?
Yeah.
Yes. Veering is very dangerous.